Right. Now, I'll take 10 steps and I'll be in a battle. Knowing my luck, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, screw it. Yeah. Oh. Thankfully, it wasn't the rag timer though. Well, there's that burger I had for dinner coming back up. Oh, I had a lovely spiced chicken burger for dinner. Very nice indeed. Yeah, I'm all healed. Just attack and kill, please. I mean, these should hopefully die in one hit. At least from Marcus, anyway. Yeah, Marcus will one hit them. Okay, maybe not. Come on, Steiner. You're a bloody knight, for God's sakes, and you got a bandit doing more damage than you. I mean, come on, the princess is almost doing more damage with you, man. Man up. And there's Shell. Ooh, some more. Don't mind if I do. All will always come in very handy for me. Although saying that, I can actually get quite a lot of it later doing the hot and cold. So I don't really know whether or not it's actually worth grabbing from the battles. I mean, I've got enough for the optional side quests that need it. So yes, guys, I'm just gonna run. Saying that now, I need to get Steiner that ability learned. Well, saying that, I'm sure I'll find a beast killer on like a piece of armor or something later on. So I suppose I don't really need to learn it like right this second. But at the same time, it would be quite beneficial, I think. Then I think I'll change his equips around at the moment to make him more useful in battles. Oh wow, really? Really? That's all the damage you did? Oh no, do not trance. For the love of God, do not trance. Not against these anyway. Oh, thank God for that. Right. Time to move on, I think. Sorry, not move on, because I've still got to go to Treno, haven't I? Yeah, another Phoenix down. Come on, come on, come on. But yeah, I've got to try and buy 99 rests here. Something tells me, though, I'm not going to be able to. Equip Steiner. First things first, I do need Beast Killer on to kill these guys extremely easy. So I'll take HP off Beast Killer. There's going to be no bugs or anything here. Well, so there will be bugs, but there'll be no birds, so I'll leave it like that for now. Because that way, Steiner will be doing extra damage to pretty much everything here as well. So, let's not complain about that. Come on, battle start already. Here we go. There we go. Just a spider and a snake. Comes to something when the spider's bigger than the snake. Right, well there's a spider dead. The snake should die in one hit now. Should anyway. Come on. What the fuck? Why is it doing even less damage? The only thing I did was take, like, HP off. Oh, seems like they're about to level up again. Oh, a Zagnol card. Not bad, I suppose. Even though, well, cards serve no real purpose in this game. I mean, you know, at least in FF8 you could get magic and whatnot from them, Bronnier. Yeah, pretty much just a way to pass the time. Well, I suppose you do need to do for the story a little bit later on. But that was a rather pointless add-on, to be honest. Right, let's see how many wrists I can buy. Come on then. There we go. 130, I can buy 99. Woo! No way, I'm 2 gil off. Oh my days, right. We'll sell 50 Phoenix down. What else have I got tons of? Ghastly Greens. There's no point selling them. I suppose I can. Well, not all of them. We'll sell 50. And we'll keep the tents, they'll come in handy later on. Cotton robe, they're worth 2,000. I could sell them 3 for 6,000 since I'll be getting a lot soon. I'll sell 2 for an extra 4,000 so I can actually make them. Rising Sun, I don't need them, but I'll keep them anyway for later. Yep, right. Arrange all my items and buy the final rest. There we go. There's 99 rest, 99 hats. So we are now ready for this little cotton robe trek. Let's see, the hats were... I don't actually know how much. Oh well. Alright, now we have to go back to Treno now. Make my way through the forest, no Marlock, I'll get the rag timer, which I honestly do not want to do until disc 4. Come on, yeah. Made it through the forest. Right. Let's see. Come on. Come on, hurry up. There we go. Right. Well, Marcus does more damage, so I'll have Marcus attack the Python, so then I can attack the spider with dagger. And this should kill the spider. Should anyway. I think Marcus will kill the snake on his own. Yeah, perfect. Only 92. That is still quite piss poor damage, I'm afraid. Oh well, I suppose nothing can really be done about that. Well, there's Loudmouth Lance. Seems like Steiner will be levelling up next battle. Thanks to his lovely level up ability. And this is where my characters play catch up on levels between each other. You know, you got Zidane and all them in the 30s, and then, well, you just have Dagger at 5. I want to pass through, let me in. Yes, I do have a game pass, now let me in. Right. Now we have to make it into Treno. But we aren't going to do Treno first. We're going to go somewhere else. Right, is the gate still lowered? Yes it is. Brilliant. I don't have to mess around with that now then. Right. Now, I'll save it here, because the monsters are going to be a little bit stronger than normal. In fact, I'll use a tent as well. Fully heal. You know, both HP and MP. Right. Save. Let's save Kupo. Slot 1. And save.